A Beautiful Mind tells the fascinating story of the mathematical genius, mental illness, and miraculous recovery and success of John Nash Jr. Hello everyone and welcome to Avid Wisdom. This is the summary of the book called A Beautiful Mind by Stilva Nasser. John Nash was brilliant, but his antisocial behavior was off-putting to some. Even the colleagues who found him annoying couldn't deny he was going to make a name for himself. Though tragically, just as his career was taking off, his behavior became more erratic and obsessive. His world came crashing down after his diagnosis with paranoid schizophrenia. The novel A Beautiful Mind chronicles John Nash's decades-long battle with disease and his recovery. Author Stilva Nasser brings us into the mind of a brilliant man tortured by his inability to distinguish between paranoia from reality. Like many geniuses, John Nash had some eccentric and reclusive tendencies. But though his parents worried about him socially, he had a gifted thinking about math problems in new and unorthodox way. Surprisingly, he didn't show growing grades in high school math because he would neglect to show his work and just write down an answer that he had solved in his mind. But in college, his professors were astonished by his methods for solving difficult math problems with ease, and he was accepted to graduate school at Princeton University. Graduate students formed clinches under different mentoring professors, but Nash preferred to stay a loner, making him not particularly well liked, but he found his place working under John Norman, who fathered game theory. Most importantly, his addition to the theory allowed the possibility of mathematically determining human behavior with the possibility of mutual gain. This became well known as the Nash equilibrium, which would win him the Nobel Prize, but not until half a century later. His thesis gave him huge recognition in the mathematical field and landed him a job at MIT. It was there that he met his wife Alicia, and things were looking very promising for the young family. When Nash approached the age of 30, he began to be incredibly anxious about not yet receiving tenure and lack of new mathematical breakthroughs. His anxiety led him to decide to take on Roman's hypothesis, a formerly hard unsolved math problem. It was when he was putting all his energy into this that he found out that his wife was pregnant. This was when people noticed his incredibly strange behavior, accusing his colleagues of looking through his trash to see his work on the hypothesis became common for Nash. He began to believe aliens were trying to ruin his career and they were sending secret messages through the paper. Turning down a professorship at the University of Chicago because he was Emperor of Antarctica. It was obvious that Nash was in deep shit. The tipping point for Alicia came when he went to Washington DC in the middle of the night to give letters to embassies explaining there was a imminent world government hospital where he was diagnosed with paranoid schizophrenia. Nash was treated and given a clear, but it was soon apparent that he fabricated this to leave. He wandered to Europe to convince the embassies of his world government, but eventually was deported. To most everyone around him, all seemed lost, but in a miraculous turn of events, he began to recover. But the schizophrenia began to subside. By the late 1980s, people at Princeton saw his research was real math rather than incomprehensible equations. Nash himself said that he began to realize that though his paranoid thoughts were still tormenting him, he could reject them now. more wonderful for Nash still, and he was finally getting recognized for his contribution to game theory by receiving the Nobel Prize in Economics. After around 30 years away from academia, the invitation came for him to be a professor at Princeton. He spent his remaining years reconnecting with family and friends. He had stagnated and reacquainted himself with Alicia. They remarried in 2001 and they lived out their lives together. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Please comment down below and let me know if you like this video and if you have any suggestion for our channel. See you till the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.